What we gotta do right here is go back in the time.
I'm thinking about her every second, every hour. Do my singing in the shower, picking petals off the flowers like.
Tell me something I need to know, then take my breath.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So basically, as you can see from the title of the video, we're going to be doing this little review of this curling wand that I got from Amazon Japan. And this curling wand was selling for 15 or 16 US dollars, because I bought it for 1,600 and something yen. So it was like really affordable. It's like one of those 5-in-1 curling wands. So yeah, it's very nice and very versatile. So I'm just gonna show you how I defined the curls on this hair. This is the Allove hair that I reviewed on my channel. If you want to see it, you can check the link. I will put it right here to the left of your screen. And if you want to see how I did these curls with that super affordable curling one, you can continue watching the video. And yeah, there's nothing to it. It's just me curling the hair. That's it, pretty much. These are the curls, guys. Curls were a little bit bigger, what do you say, more defined, but I didn't want it to be super defined, so I decided to comb it out and to just finger, you know, comb it, and it's giving me a nice vibe. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so basically what I'm doing, I'm using my Super Silk water from Orto Japan, and I'm using it to spray the hair. I use this water to do pretty much everything that's beauty related. Anyway, so I'm just using my comb now to just comb out the hair, and as you can see, I was like trying it out before I actually did the video, because I didn't want to, you know, waste my time on something that didn't work. So yeah, so I was just trying it out. So basically, as you see, I'm just combing out the hair, you know, pretty technical. And guys, do not put your curling irons between your legs. I am just like, yeah, that kind of person. I'm so risky. So I just basically take a small section, and I'm using like the smallest piece, the smallest wand that is, or attachment, and I'm just like, you know, taking that section out, and you're gonna see how fast this actually curls. And I'm being super careful because yeah, this is very hot, very hot. So I'm being super careful, and as you can see, I'm doing this in real time, so you can see how fast it actually curls. Yeah, so I'm being super careful here, because yeah, and as you can see, I didn't even get to curl it properly, but it was curling. And yeah, so this is the curls that I received from that. I just went over it and just started doing everything. And basically what I do, I use like an ear pin to just pin it up so it can cool the hair, so the hair is not like super hot and the curl will drop, you know what I'm saying? So it's very good if you want your curls to just, you know, stay put until you're finished with the entire hair and not dropping and looking, you know, weird at the end. Then you can just pin it up for a while until everything is completely, you know, done. And it also helps to take the hair out of your way while you're doing this. And I just do, you know, wrap it up, pin it up, and go over. And this didn't take very long. I think it took like 30 minutes to do this, because I was like watching TV. I'm just always doing other things when I'm doing, yeah. And I'm just showing you how the curling wand how it looks. Yeah, and I just went over the steps, and there's going to be a part in this video where the curling it got really hot, and I burnt myself. I don't know, I'm just like clumsy, and maybe it's also difficult to, like, you know, curl the hair while filming, because this is my first time actually doing that.
But anyway, I just went over it and it started burning me, so I went for the gloves and I put the gloves on. So it's also good that they actually give you a glove, but the glove is a little bit like awkward for me to, you know, put on. So I just did it for a little bit of time just to demonstrate to you, you know, the purpose or whatever. So yeah, and I just went over the hair. That's pretty much it. Going over, I'm just gonna speed through everything.
Let me whisper some chosen words into your mind, but don't believe it.
Hey guys, so while I'm curling, just gonna show you what the curling wand. Why am I saying wand? What the curling wand looks like. So I'm just gonna give you a mini little review while I'm curling the hair, because I don't want to make the video super long because it's not necessary, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so look out for this now. This is it. This is the name of the set. It's Dodo or Doodoo. Alright, Jody, stop. You're too much. Okay, so yes, the name is Dodo. And yeah, this is how it looks. This is the box that it came in. And on the other side, they tell you that it is clipless hair curler set, ceramic 5 and 6 interchangeable barrels, F1 with 2 different temperature, setting 1 middle and 2 high. So it has 3 different settings, so you can go 1, 2, 3. So it doesn't have like the LED lights or anything like that. I mean, it has a light right here, but it doesn't have like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, where the visible LED thingy or the LCD screen, whatever. Anyway, what am I talking about? Anyway, so yes, so this is the information as it relates to the, yeah, and the temperature is from 80 to 210 degrees Celsius. If you calculate in Fahrenheit, I think this is about around 160 to 430 or 420 Fahrenheit. Not really sure. Yeah, so this is how it looks, and I think you can get other colors too if you so desire, and or different styles actually. So you have these number 6. That's one style if you want that particular style, or you can go with number 5. That's another style. Is it the same? No, it's different. And then you have number 4 and number 3. Yeah, they almost look the same. Number 4, number 3. I guess the colors or whatever, I'm not sure. The number 4 and number 3 looks the same, but they're different in terms of the millimeter, if you can see. So 32, 92, 18, 19 to 19. Oh yeah, it's actually different. Or maybe the same actually. Yeah, this is the same. I guess because this is a different color. And then you have number 2. Wow, that one is cute. That's a different color also, style, like with what do you call it, zebra stripes, or yeah. And then down here now, this is the one that I got number 1. So you can get number 1, 2, number 3 is a pink, and number 4, or number 4, number 5, or you can get number 6. So these are the different variations that they have, and this is how it looks. As I said before, I got number 1. So this is number 1, Dodo. It has a LED light, 1, 2, 3 different switches, 0 being the off, 1 being the middle, and 2 being the highest. When I'm going to curl today, I'm going to use the highest. Yes, and this is the attachment. So this thing right here is for you to put it to stand up when you're using it. So you can see when I put it here, it actually, you know, balances. And then these are the different attachments. Basically what you do, you squeeze this down and take it up. But I'm using my smartphone now too, so I can't really show you. But you just squeeze it down and you take it off and put it on. And they're very, yeah, and this is how you would do the others. and this is how it looks. Yeah, and it's not going to fall off or anything. But one thing that they do give you, they give you gloves. So if it gets really hot, you can use a glove. And I think throughout my video you'll see me using the gloves 1 or 2 times because it was burning. Yeah, it was burning me, like I was burning myself. Yes, so yeah, and this is how long the cord is. Very, very long, very long. Good size. Yep, good size guys, not short. So yes guys, super affordable, very nice. Yeah, pretty nice. Okay, so this is the, and it says oh, see, they have LED or LCD. So they actually have LCD screen, the LCD screen if you want. So you can get the LED, which I have the LED lights, or you can get the LCD screen.
So yes guys, this is the look, this is the hair. I'm loving it. I love how it came out. I love the curls, and I love how this hair takes curls. Very nice. The curls are very nice. I love them. It's very nice. They're giving me a nice vibe. Yeah, it's nothing like big or anything massive, but they're cute curls. And this is the hair. The curly one is very nice. I really like it, and it's very affordable, very versatile. And you know, you can achieve so many things, so many curl styles or curling styles or whatever with it. So I would say yes, and it's not like you're not losing anything because it's very affordable and also very effective, as you can see. And I'm just loving these curls. They're just like loose, but just nice curl. Like it.
Watch me while I hit the ground and I shake myself. Hey boy, come here. I see you, boy. I see you standing over there. You want some of this? Come here, baby. Come.